Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you another way to have fun with crepe paper rosettes. And I even got them perfectly round, or a perfect heart, or a perfect little oval, or even a perfect square, and even with some fine detailed stitching all around them. And so if you haven't figured out how I've done it yet, let me show you. So I'm just going to get this out of the way, and we're going to start by making our crepe paper rosette, and I'm using this fun colored one. So just go through the motions of using the rosette, and it doesn't, or making the rosette, and it doesn't matter, you know, how perfect it is, because it's going to be perfect anyways. So almost done here. Going to trim this off, and I believe Mrs. Everly, I think it was, she has a tutorial out on how to sew these together, and it makes them come out really nice also. But for the purpose of this tutorial and just the way I was playing with them today, I'm just stapling them together. So we have our rosette made, and I think I'm going to make another, let's have a lot of fun. Let's make a cloud one, because you can have fun with any basic shapes that you have. So I'm just going to crank it through, and I do apologize if there's any shaking of the camera. That's just the way I have a setup here. Okay, so that out of the way, and here we have it, our perfect cloud, just like that. And I was also having fun with some other shapes here. Let me get them. So we have all these fun shapes, and I was doing it with the scalloped edge. There's another cloud. There's a flower. There's a swan. So yeah, it's just another way to use up all that crepe paper we have, because we all have, if you do have crepe paper, there's so much on the roll, like tons. Like this has been used for parties, decorations, crepe paper rosettes, trims, like, and there's still tons there. So yeah, it's just another fun way to use your dies. And as I said, just basic shapes. I wouldn't have something too intricate, but even like the scalloped edge, it did really well. I am so impressed with that. And the swan too. So yeah, if there's a color that you have or a pattern that you have in your crepe paper, have fun playing with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.